Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu. Start by separating 6 egg yolks into a bowl. Add 100 grams of sugar and whisk until the mixture is pale and creamy. Gently fold in 500 grams of mascarpone cheese until smooth. Brew 250 milliliters of strong espresso and let it cool. For an authentic touch, add a splash of rum or marsala wine to the coffee. Now, for the assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled espresso mixture, ensuring they are soaked but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused ladyfingers at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Then, spread about half of your rich mascarpone cream evenly over this first layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of ladyfingers and finishing with the remaining cream. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu tightly with plastic wrap. This helps it set and prevents it from absorbing other refrigerator odors. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 6 hours, though overnight is even better for the flavors to meld beautifully. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder using a fine mesh sieve for a perfect, even finish. When it's time to serve, use a sharp knife to cut clean, individual portions. This ensures each slice looks as good as it tastes. Remember, tiramisu is best enjoyed chilled, so take it directly from the refrigerator to the table. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with a few chocolate shavings or a single coffee bean. Enjoy this delightful, homemade Italian treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.